Yo, hey everyone, what is going on? It's Steven, Bama Saltwater here. As you can see around me, it's super windy, really overcast, and we had a lot of rain yesterday. So I'm not launching the boat. We're actually going to be doing some land-based fishing with little micro crankbaits. I know a lot of y'all want to see some more land fishing, so that's what we're doing. Just simple. I have this little Yozuri Pins minnow with some 8-pound fluorocarbon leader, 8-pound braid on a 1,000 size Stratic, and a 7-foot light power, moderate action spinning rod. Let's get this lure out and see what we can catch today. Here we go. Oh, something already grabbed it. That was cool. Come on. See if they'll do it again. Yep. All right. First fish this morning. Since we're throwing micro crankbaits, we're catching micro fish, and that is a lizard fish. So that's our first fish this morning, is a little lizard fish. We can let him go. They're very bony. Oh man, try not to get the hooks in me. So I'm going to undo this lizard fish, but you can see why they call it a lizard fish, because it looks like a lizard mixed with a fish. They are very bony. They don't have much table fare, so we're going to let him go. See the big old mouth? Time to let him go. Alright, he swam off just fine. Let's get that little Yozuri back out there. Release that lizard fish. See what else is hanging around. Those things bury down in the sand and ambush prey. Oh, look at that. As soon as I cast back out again, we have something else. Oh, haha, that's cool. A needlefish. Those are interesting. Y'all, this is a pretty cool catch right here, is this needlefish. I'll try to handle them fairly gently, but look at them teeth. And them eyeballs. They make pretty good bait, so we're gonna let him go as well. Stinky little things, but tell you what, you can see why they call them needlefish. See that? Kind of look like a mini barracuda, but it's time to let him go. You want to open your mouth up? Look at them. Look at that joker. That was cool. Immediately after the lizard fish. There he goes. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, he's gone. Looks just like a snake swimming out there. Them needlefish smell pretty bad. But at least we caught something. It's always good to get the skunk off the boat or pier, or in this case, the bank. Getting out here is awesome, but catching fish is always an added bonus. Oh, there we go. Another one. This is actually kind of fun because you really don't know what you're going to get. That's another lizard fish, just much smaller this time. Gonna get that hook out of him and let him go. All right, that was a quick and easy release. And he's right there. Right there. Look how perfect they blend in with the environment. See that? Super camouflaged, and then they can ambush any prey that comes by. They have no clue sitting there. That is cool. 2 lizard fish, 1 needlefish, and another cast. Oh, boom. And he jumped. That was funny. What are you? Oh, he just got me in all that. It's another lizard fish. Man, they're all over the place here. Check him out. And he gone again. It's fun throwing light stuff because even these small fish fight hard. See, there's some bait that just popped. There you are. Come here. Hooked up again. And it looks like a bigger lizard fish. They are, and not in short supply, I'll tell you that. I don't really have much predators either. All right, man. At least the water's nice and clear. See, I want to show you this. Perfect opportunity to show you what they do. They kind of scurry down in the water and vibrate and cover themselves up with sand. You see how he's just sitting there? Looks just like maybe a rock or a piece of grass or something. and then his head and his two eyes are looking up, waiting for other bait fish to come by, and that's how they eat. See how half his body's covered up? Pretty cool thing. He's just gonna sit there and chill. That's so cool, just watching them in their own habitat and seeing how they can conceal themselves very well. Oh, he hit it pretty hard. Oh, that looks like a snapper. It is. It's a mangrove snapper. Wow. So there is a mangrove snapper. These are very good eating, but he's too short. In Alabama, they have to be 12 inches. But that is awesome. That is a target species. Very fun catching them on little crankbaits like that. So I'm gonna get that hook out of them and let them go. Say bye. There you go, man. Oh, you're supposed to go the other way. Go the other way. There he goes. Those are awesome. Catch them inshore, catch them offshore, but most of the small ones are inshore. Man, what a cool variety already. Just on little bitty crankbaits. This is so fun, just catching stuff on light tackle like this. But y'all, I do want to say this video is brought to you by Mossy Oak. They are a partner of the channel, along with Dakota Lithium Batteries. Mossy Oak's been around for a long time, and it's awesome to be working with a company that actually supports nature like they do. There's a promo code you can use to save you 20% off on Mossy Oak store, which is linked down below. You can use the promo code Bama Saltwater and save you some money on hats, camo, fishing shirts, hoodies, shorts, everything's on there, y'all. Let's get back to fishing. Every fish I've caught so far has had teeth, which is typical of saltwater fish. Hopefully you can hear me because that wind is whipping, but I like to rub my fingers along this leader and feel for any abrasive marks. Feels good right now, so we're good to go. Do need to fix that hook. That one's a little bent out, and we'll get another cast out. I did just switch to the Yozuri L minnow. It's a little 2-inch sinking lure. I can get better casting distance in this wind because that Pins minnow I could barely cast. A little bit wider bodied, but shorter length. Let's get it out there. Should be able to cast a little bit better because it sinks. Oh yeah, casts much better. I can actually see where it's going. And they still like it just as much as they like the other one. This is a pinfish. So once again, these aren't giant fish, but it is a variety, and cool to see what all you can catch on artificial lures. There he goes. Man, they always try to come back to me. Go that way, bud. All right, you can hide out there in the grass. You're safe there. So we've caught needlefish, lizardfish, mangrove snapper, and pinfish. 4 different species, just sitting here on the bank, throwing little bitty crankbaits. That's fun. Oh, okay. I didn't know what had grabbed it. Man, another lizardfish. Golly. Didn't even know I was hooked. Oh. Quick and easy release. He gone. Let's move down a little bit, see if we can get away from these lizards. Oh, that's a little bit, something a little bit more weight to it, but everything feels big on this light tackle. What are you? Oh, another one of them needlefish. Oh, come here. I want to show you to the camera. Y'all, I think he's trying to bite me. Let's let him go. I don't blame him. Those things are cool no matter how many times you see them or catch them. Something with that much teeth, it's pretty neat. He ain't happy, is he? Those things never sound happy. Blue hair. Let's see if I can do this cast. Ah, yeah, there we go. Yep. Got a good cast, and now I actually hooked into something. Come on, come in easy. It's a mangrove snapper. Wow, they're pretty in that clear water. All right, man. We're gonna get you back. See, I found you again. It's crazy how many there are out here, all of the same size. Got one out and 2, and he's gone. There you go, bud. Back to the structure. Get that same cast again. Oh yeah, there we go. See, I don't typically fish boat ramps a lot, especially when there's boats loading and launching, just because you get in the way. But there's absolutely nobody here. I mean, nobody. My truck's the only one here. So, if that can show you the type of weather it is, not too many people fishing today. Oh, some just tried swiping at it. Looked like another needlefish. Oh, there's a little bit bigger fish. Oh, dang. Oh, I think that was a Spanish mac. I'm glad he didn't cut me off. Wow. Try that again. Pretty sure that was a Spanish mackerel there. If it was, you can pretty much say bye-bye Yozuri if it hits it again. Some pretty hatters coming by. Awesome looking fishing boat. That thing is awesome. That's a pretty blue hatters. Same hole as everything as a Jubilee. Cool. Oh, okay, cool, on the bucktail. Oh, come here. Come here. Boom. Caught a little jack. Heck yeah. A little bucktail jig. That's funny when you say last cast. You know, as true fishermen and women, we never say our last cast is never a last cast. But there's a little jack. Yellow jack. Cool things. Cool, on the bucktail. All right, blue heron, I need to get by you. Trust me, let me get by you. Oh, there he goes. He's feeding, getting his breakfast this morning. A bunch of jellyfish washed up too. But caught a decent amount of fish. Sucks I lost that Spanish mackerel. What a rainy, dreary day. I mean, rainy, windy, cold. Y'all, I am back home. This is a few days later. As you can tell, I'm kind of scruffy, but I was gonna go fish at other places and try to throw those little crankbaits at other boat ramps. But filming, I don't mind fishing in the rain, but filming and just being miserable with this front coming through, really figured I'd stay home and edit some videos. So I hope you enjoyed videos like that. You know, I do a lot of crazy stuff, a lot of fun stuff, offshore, inshore, off the beach, off the pier. But every now and then it's just fun to go throw some light tackle right along the bank like I did growing up, where you don't care what species of fish you catch, a fish is a fish and it's fun. So if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more and you haven't subscribed yet, go smash that subscribe button down below. It's free to do, allows the channel to grow constantly so I can continue putting out more content for each and every one of y'all. And you know, if you're subscribed, I appreciate you as always. All of our partners are linked down below in the video description. There's some promo codes, save you some money. You can even go to my website, bamasaltwater.com, and pick up some tackle. I still have some limited supply of tackle and merch and rigs and all that on there. We'll see you on the next Bama Saltwater fishing video. Most importantly, and as always, I want to thank the good Lord up above for everything he does for us. We'll see you later.